One style of treatment that has received quite a bit of attention in the press lately is what is referred to as full mouth implants that receive final restorations within 24 hours. And it sounds very appealing because all of your treatment is basically done within a 24-hour time period. But the fact of the matter is the body still is going to heal the way that biology dictates. And anytime you do any type of surgery, you're going to have some inflammation. During the phases of inflammation, what you have is initially the tissue is going to swell, so the gum tissue, and then as healing progresses, the tissue then shrinks. And so one of the problems with 24-hour teeth is if you have the final restoration on in 24 hours, you can sometimes develop gaps underneath that final bridge as that gum tissue shrinks during the healing process. Because healing and inflammation happens at different rates, you may have a bigger gap over here and a smaller gap over here. As you're speaking, you can have air escape through those gaps. So sometimes you might get a whistling sound when you talk, and occasionally you might be talking to somebody and have a little bit of spit that escapes. You can be eating food, and because you have those gaps, you can have food that gets underneath your bridge. And that is one of the downsides of having a permanent set of teeth in 24 hours. At Advanced Dental Implant Centers, we don't prescribe to the theory of delivering your final teeth in 24 hours. Because of the way that biology heals, we really want to minimize or eliminate any gaps that you have with your final set of teeth and the gum tissue. We also want to give you a chance to make any changes that you want to make. You may think that you want very, very bright teeth, and then when you see the way they look in your mouth, you may decide, you know what, that's not quite right for me. Or maybe you think the teeth that you have are too big or too small. Having the ability to make those changes before you get your final permanent set of teeth gives you a chance to be much more confident in the final set of teeth that you're going to be living the rest of your life with. One thing that I want to remind our viewers on is that when we do this same-day full mouth dental implant treatment, you always have permanent attached teeth from day one. These teeth that you receive on the day of the surgery are screwed directly into the implants. They're just not your final teeth because we want to let the gums heal. We want to let the bones heal. But we also want to give you a chance to make any of those changes that you may want to make. But during that time frame, from day one of the surgery until the time when you have your final teeth, you always have teeth to smile with, you always have teeth to eat with, and you will never wear a denture during this entire process.